Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the market held above 6,300, and from there we saw a breakout attempt to a new all-time high. And now heading into the open, the big question is whether this overnight breakout attempt is going to result in follow-through, or is it going to result in a false or failed breakout. Now, as long as buyers are holding ES above the 63, 22.5 to 26.5 aggressive support, the overnight strength can remain in play, and there would still be potential for upside follow-through. And on the upside, we'll be using 63, 33 to 43 as the initial resistance zone, and a break and hold above it on signs of initiative buying would serve as a bullish confirmation. Above 63.43, bullish time frame alignment would be in effect, and as long as we're seeing continued strength in the Nasdaq, along with broad market strength and sustained upside momentum, then above 63.43, there is no hard resistance. Now, anytime there's a breakout, day one always marks the breakout attempt. So far, we've seen a breakout attempt. And in order for that breakout to now succeed or sustain, we will need to see a break above initial resistance on signs of initiative buying. And in the event that we get a breakdown below 63.22.5, that would be a warning sign, because anytime there's a breakout attempt, there's also the possibility of that breakout attempt to fail. And in the event that the breakout attempt fails, we could have a trapped buyer situation, and that can result in a bigger move to the downside. So even though our short-term bias today is neutral bullish, it's with the understanding that this is a breakout attempt, and our main focus is going to be to determine whether the breakout is likely to succeed or fail. And a break below the aggressive support would be the first notable warning sign that the breakout is starting to fail. Below that, we have pre-market support at 63.06 to 16, where buyers may still defend, and a breakdown below 63.06 would be a sign of weakness, and a break below the 62.95 quarter to 63.03 quarter would serve as an intraday bearish indication. By that point in time, the breakout will likely have failed, and a breakdown below initial support should result in a trapped buyer situation, and we should see some big and sustained downside momentum in the event that the market breaks below that area. So a break below initial support can lead to downside range expansion, but again, that'll depend on the level of weakness and downside momentum and the relative volume that we're seeing in real time. So that is the market context and plan heading into the open. Let's see how the real-time situation shapes up and how the market behaves at the aggressive support and the initial resistance zone. That can provide us with an early indication as to which side is in control on the smaller time frame, and we'll take it from there.